Hello, I'm Steve Clark, and what we're going to do today is repair a damaged worktop. Now this is a piece of solid oak. I'm going to damage it on the corner and then do the repair. Okay, so this is the damaged piece of oak we had. As you can see, there is a ridge built up in the edge of the timber, which we need to level off. So I should do that first. If you take a chisel or a sharp knife of some type and just pare off the edge of the timber as neatly as you can. This makes the wood level. We can now sand that down. Okay, then take a piece of sandpaper. This is a rough grade P8A, which is very good for taking off any rough parts of the timber. So we need to rub that until it's smooth. Rub all around the damaged area to remove any debris and fragments that might have got in there. So you want the whole thing to feel smooth. Okay, next we're going to wipe away the area with a clean damp cloth. Okay, now the next step is we've got to apply some filler into the cracks that have shown on the surface of the timber. First of all, we need to build a layer of dust with the fine grade sandpaper. This is so that the filler will match the colour of the wood that's around the repair. So you just need a small amount on your finger and then work that into the grain. And you want the filler to go dirty so it matches the colour of the wood around it. There we go. Now just clean up the work that you've done, and then the last part then is applying any stain or oil to blend in the colour of the wood. Okay, with another small piece of cloth I'm applying some stain to this treated area because the wood was originally treated with some saddle and classic oil stain. So I just need to get some on my cloth. We don't want too much though, because it will overpower the colour. And work that into the repair. We want that right in the grain there. And then wipe off the excess with a clean dry cloth. Just do that very lightly. Work in the colour until it's blended in nicely. Okay, that's dried now. So as you can see, the colour's blended well with the surrounding wood. So we just finished that off with some oil. Just get some on another cloth. And I need to work this over all of the wood, but concentrating heavily on the on the repaired part. There we are, and that's the repair done.